Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Whether you forgot to log out from any device or your account is logged in on another device, in both cases, you need to log out from your Gmail account from that device. To do this, simply open the Gmail app and make sure to sign in with the account you want to manage. Now tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Here, tap on Manage your Google account. Once you are here, swipe a little and go to the Security tab. Scroll down until you find the Manage All Devices option under Your Devices. Tap on it. Here you will see all the devices and sessions where your Gmail or Google account is logged in. You can sign out from multiple devices. Now tap on the device you want to sign out from. Finally, tap on Sign Out and confirm by tapping on Sign Out again. And it's done. Your Gmail account has been successfully logged out from that device. Do like the video and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Also subscribe to Tweak Library for more helpful videos like this. See you.